All right, we're here. You got a minivan. It don't start. It's a 2001 Chrysler Town and Crunchy. It's got a 3.3 liter V6. Your starter's bad. You got to change it. Let's make it fast. I'm going to tell you how to do it, and you can get back to work. All right, check it out. Here you go. Be prepared to look like this. I started on it. I said, you know what? There's people out there who need to know something about this thing. So let me show you how you change this starter. I've got a few of the, I just, this is easy peasy. Well, if you got a floor jack and some stuff to jack the vehicle up, you'll be out there for a little bit. But I used, you got to take this mount off first. It's on the bottom in the very center. We'll crawl on it in a second, but that mount comes off. Now take this plate off that's in the front. These were all 15 millimeter. That was 15 millimeter for the bolt that goes through that. That drops down. This is the top bolt at here is an 18. You're really going to want a flexi ratchet wrench for that to make it nice and easy. 15 and 15, and then I've already got the new starter in. I said, dude, I need to show some people. I need to get the word out. And so once you get that plate off, which like say, see that motor mounts up there, you take that off first. Just take this off first, and that big funny looking metal thing will come out. And then you've got access to your top stud, which has the your ground wires on it. That's 13 millimeter. You're going to take that off, and then you're on a 15 millimeter end on the inside. You'll take that off, but I leave that on until I get the bottom one out, because then it can kind of hang by that. Because if you take you'll see. So I usually take the top stud out last, just so that the starter's not like dangling. And this, then this is a 15. You'll take that out. Then when you get the starter out, there'll be a little plate, and on that plate, if you wipe it down real good, you're going to see where there's an indicator that says up, and you want to make sure that plate's flipped around the right way. You'll even see the indentation of the starter. I'll even show you what I'm talking about in a second here. But of course, you remove your disconnect the battery. Bill probably should have said that first. Disconnect that battery, and then you take your main wire off there, and then you'll take the connector off for the solenoid. And to take that off, I just use a little pick that looks like that right there. And then let me show you on the starter a little something. And once you do that, the starter will just slide right out. I mean, it's not that bad after that. And let me show you real quick on the what I was talking about. Old oily, they'll call this. When you take that plate off, you'll notice how the starter's got these little notches you can see. So in case that plate falls out, it'll give you a way it flips around. Because one side will look flat, and the other side will show you these little ribs. And there's a thing that shows up, so you'll have an idea there. And then you'll just, put the thing back in there, bolt it back up, reverse the procedure. And then you're probably going to really want to wash your hands after that. You'll need some good old-fashioned Dawn dish detergent. Or better yet, you can use a little gas on a rag, and that'll really get this off. Chrysler dirt. Whew. Reconnect the battery and rock and roll with it. Head on down the road. So thank you for tuning in. Please hit the like, subscribe, and share. And we'll do more quick videos on how-tos to help you guys out there trying to make it in this world. Peace out.